A snake came to my water trough on a hot day, and I in pajamas for the heat. Okay, because it was heat, I was in pajamas. Okay, to drink there. Okay, huh? In the deep, strange-scented shade of the great dark carob tree. So, there this tree ର ସେଠି shade ପଡିଛି, ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ? ସେ shade ରେ ପଡିଛି, ସେଠି ସେ snake ଆସିଛି water trough ରେ ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ, ପିଇବା ପାଇଁ ପାଣି. Okay, I came down the steps with my pitcher. Pitcher माने मेरा गोटे pot टे हैला, container टे, round container with an open top and large handle. I came down the steps with my pitcher and must stand and wait, for there he was at the trough before me, ମୋ ଆଗରେ. Before me माने ମୋ ଆଗରେ से अच्छी, ये snake टा, and must. Okay, he reached down from a fissure in the earth wall in the gloom. So he reached down from a fissure. Fissure माने गोटे crack रू आसिला, crack रू in the earth wall, गोटे माटी रे तैयारी wall in the gloom. Okay, and trailed his yellow brown slackness soft bellied down, and trailed माने जिबाटा, trail माने एटे कौन से जिबा, went his yellow brown slackness. Okay, soft bellied down. तापर से तळुको आणला, केमी ताको से ओल्हेची ओवर द एज ऑफ द स्टोन ट्रॉफ. ओके, केमी से ओल्हे गिरी को जाय आसिला कहा ऊपर, एज ऑफ द स्टोन ट्रॉफ ऊपर, स्टोन ट्रॉफ ऊपर को आसिला. ओके, सेठी कोन कला, एंड रेस्टेड हिज थ्रोट अपॉन द स्टोन बॉटम. ओके, सेठी से रेस्ट कला तार थ्रोट को, कहने से पीला ता माने. एंड वेयर द वाटर हैज ड्रिप्ड, वेयर द वाटर हैड ड्रिप्ड. ओके, फ्रॉम द टैप. सो कोठी जाकी रखिला से जोटे वाटर पडुथला, ड्रिप्ड फ्रॉम द टैप इन ए स्मॉल क्लियरनेस. ओके, सेठ जाकी पाता मुहटा रखिला. ही सिप्ड विथ हिज स्ट्रेट माउथ, सीधा पीला. सॉफ्टली ड्रैंक थ्रू हिज स्ट्रेट गम्स. हैला, सिप्ड भी पीवा, सुसीवा. ओके, सॉफ्ट जो ड्रैंक भी पीवा. इनटू हिज स्लैक. ओके, लॉन्ग बॉडी, आ बॉडी को से पीला नेला. Someone was before me at my water trough. Okay, mo आगे जने अछि. Who is that someone? Snake. And I, like a second comer, moved second comer, आसीची पछरे आसीची, waiting. So I was waiting. Okay, he lifted his head from his drinking as cattle do. Cattle जेंति उठे कि देखंती कि आउची कि कि आसी ताऊ देखंती. And looked at me. Okay, cattle माने गाई. Vaguely. Okay, vaguely, not properly, and as drinking cattle do. And flickered means moved. Okay, moved his two forked tongue. Okay, सो तार जो दीटा दी मुनिया टंग जोटा दीटा दीटा केना बाहर था टू फॉर स्नेक रो ताकू से हलेला मूव कला हे जिभरे सो जो सो ताकू से बुलेला फ्रॉम हिज लीव्स अच्छा एंड म्यूज्ड ए मोमेंट एटू किछि समय से आगो भाबिला म्यूज्ड भाबिला think about and stooped and drank a little more पुणी पीला पुणी लोइला पुणी पीला हाँ being earth brown earth golden माने जो सापटा earth brown earth जेमती brown से सेमती brown earth golden from the burning bowels of the earth okay. So being earth brown, earth golden from the burning bowels of the earth. So mane he is coming from the under the earth, bottom of the earth. Okay. So burning bowels of the earth, earth golden the color. So jehetu ei color. Okay. On the day of a Sicilian July with Etna smoking, being earth brown, earth golden from the burning bowels of earth, on the day of Sicilian July with Etna smoking, the voice of my education said to me, he must be killed. So se kouchi, ei color thila. So the voice of my education said to me तामाने मु भाबिली कौन ना he must be killed for in Sicily the black snakes are innocent the gold are venomous माने से कहूची जे सिसिली रे भाबंती जे black snakes are innocent ଆଉ ଏଇ टाइप रो स्नेक्स गोल्ड स्नेक्स आर venomous माने विषधर and voices in me said if you were a man जदि तुमे गोटे मैन हेतिबो brave man हेतिबो you would take a stick and break him now ताको एबे जाई मार दो and finish him off ताको मारी दो but must I confess how I liked him but I okay according to me okay actually I have liked him but must I confess किंतु मु मारियाक चाहुनी that I am admitting how I liked him मु ताको केमती I have liked him okay how glad I was he had come like a guest in quiet to drink at my water trough से मु guest भलिया आसी मो water trough रे पानी पिउची तेनु I am liking him and depart peacefully, pacified and thankless. Okay, so how glad I was he had come like a guest in quiet to drink at my water trough and depart peaceful. ଏବଂ ସେ ଯିବ କେମିତି ନା peacefully ଯିବ pacified ଯିବ ଆଉ thankless ତାକୁ କିଏ thank ଜଣେଇବ ଏମିତି ହେଇକି ସେ ଯିବ into the burning bowels of the earth पुणी से earth को पळेओ was it cowardice that I dared not kill him मु ताको जो मारिलेनी से जो पळेला okay was it cowardice मु ताको kill कलिनी was it perversity perversity कौन the quality of being unreasonable illogical माने मु जा कहू छेटा ठीक नो that is illogical was it perversity that I longed to talk him that means talk to him then मु चाहूतली ता संगे कथा हबाकू as a guest okay was it humility to feel so honored okay so to feel so honored माने humility नहीं was it humility माने मु जो भाबुची ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ଭାବୁଛି ଯେ ଏମିତି ଏମିତି ସେ କରିଥିବ ସେଟା ଆସିଛି ଗେଷ୍ଟ ଭଳିଆ ତାକୁ ମୁଁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲି so I am honored she was my guest so was it humility it is a low quality or what huh? I felt so honored and yet those voices okay those voices in the that books if you were not afraid you would kill him ତୁମେ ତାକୁ ମାରିଥାନ୍ତ and truly I was afraid ପୁଣି ସେ କହୁଛି I was afraid I was most afraid but even so honored still more that he should seek my hospitality okay କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ afraid ହେଲେ ବି କିନ୍ତୁ honor ଥିଲି ବେଶୀ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ honor କରୁଥିଲି ବେଶୀ ଯେ he should seek my hospitality that means ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ନ ମାରେ he should go away smoothly from out the dark door of the secret earth so that he should seek my hospitality from out the dark door of the secret earth ସେ ଯୋଉ ହେଇଠୁ ଆସିଛି ସେ ତେଣୁ ଏଇଠି ଆସିକିରି ଆଲୁଅରେ ଡାର୍କ ରୁ ଆସିଛି ଏଠି ଆଲୁଅରେ ଆସି ମୋ ପାଖରେ ସେ he should get friendly atmosphere he should get the hospitality and I should treat him as a guest he drank enough and lifted his head dreamily as one who has drunken he lifted his head dreamily ମାନେ like a drunkard ହେଲା he drank enough ବହୁତ ପିଇଦେଲା and flickered move କଲା his tongue like a forked night okay ଗୋଟେ on the air so black okay so it is a night on the air actually that tongue is not actually a tongue it is a night okay black night it is okay so it looked like me it is a night seeming to lick his lips se lick korta chatiyaku chahuntila tar lips ku othku and looked around as like a god unseen into the air so se gote god bhaliya dekhila what dekhila air okay and slowly turned his head bulela ta munda and slowly and very slowly as if thrice a dream ଯେମିତି ବହୁତ ସ୍ଲୋ ଯେମିତି ଡ୍ରିମ୍ ଦେଖୁଛି ଯେମିତି ସେ ଡ୍ରିମ୍ ରେ ଅଛି ସେଭଳିଆ ସେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବୁଲେଇଲା proceeded thrice a dream ମାନେ ତିନି ଥର ଯେମିତି ଡ୍ରିମ୍ ସେ ଦେଖି ସାରିଲାଣି ସେଇଭଳିଆ ସେ ଅଛି okay so proceeded to draw his slow length and slowly turned his head ତା head से उठेला and slowly very slowly as if thrice a dream proceeded to draw his slow length curving round curving round okay proceeded to draw his slow okay length curving down and the body ta and climb again the broken bank of my wall face ତେଣୁ ପୁଣି ଗଲା ମୋ wall face ଆଡକୁ right ସେଠି ଯିବ ବୋଲି ଚଢିକି as he put his head into the dreadful hole ଯେମିତି ମୁଣ୍ଡ ପୁରେଇଲା and as he slowly drew up ଉପରକୁ ଉଠିଲା okay snake easing his shoulders okay and entered further a sort of horror a sort of protest against his withdrawing into that horrid black hole okay so there is a horror in me deliberately going into the blackness and slowly drawing himself after so overcame me now his back was turned okay I looked round I put down my pitcher okay I picked up a clumsy log okay ମୋ ପିକ୍ଚର ଟା ତଳେ ରଖିଦେଲି ହେଲା ରଖିକିରି ଗୋଟେ ବାଡିଟେ ଉଠେଇଲି ହେଲା clumsy log and threw it at the water straw with a clatter ଗୋଟେ ନଏଜ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ବାଡିଟେ ଉଠେଇକିରି clumsy log ଟେ ଉଠେଇକି ତାକୁ ଫୋପାଡ଼ିଲି କୋଉଠିକି ୱାଟର water drop sound karikiri. I think it did not hit him. Understood? तो सी पूरा जाइनी बुझिपारछ अधा बॉडी रे अच्छी तार सेठी बुझिपारछ I think it did not hit him हैला but suddenly that part of him that was left behind convulsed convulsed माने violent movement कला जोरे दौड़िला से पार्ट टा in undignified haste in जोरे दौड़िला हैला बुझिपारछ ना नहीं with ruthed like lightning जो slow जाउथला वे lightning माने speed रे वाला and was gone पळेला पड़ भितर into the black hole and a earth lived fissure in the wall front okay से crack वो पळेला भितर गुड लुचियल and which in the intense still noon I stared with fascination हैला ए नोन रे ए जो दीपर मते I stared with fascination मु देखिली and I immediately I regretted it I मारली कहीं से पुणी पळेला कम है धीरे धीरे जाइतांदा I thought how paltry paltry माने worthless how vulgar what a mean act मु कहीं मारली एटा ଗୋଟେ खराब काम mean act vulgar how vulgar हैला एटा हूँ गोटे अभद्रामी है आई डेस्पाइज माई सेल्फ मो निजको गाली देली घृणा कली एंड द वॉइसेस ऑफ माई accursed human education मुझे आदि घृणा कली ना जो आमर ह्यूमन एजुकेशन को भी घृणा कली जे एमती एमती पढ़ा होची ये जो ब्लैक होइतले ठीक अच्छी ब्राउन होइतले भूल अच्छी एमती okay so भलो सपन हूँ and I thought of the albatross माने an illusion to Coleridge rhyme of the ancient mariner he wishes for its return अच्छा albatross okay and I thought of the albatross and I wished he would come back my snake okay so my thought of the albatross I wished he would come back my snake मैंने मो हे snake टा पुणी आउथरे आसीबो and he seemed to me again like a king okay मते पुणी से भल लागिला okay like a king in exile जेमति बाहर को जाईची king बलिया मते लागिला से आज बाहर को जाईची मु ताऊ तोड़ी देची uncrowned in the underworld एटी ताऊ के मुकुट पिंधुनी से नाउ ड्यू टू बी क्राउंड अगेन से पुणी आसीबो मु ताको मुकुट पिंधेबी आ आसीबो से पुणी राजा एग्री फेरियो एंड सो आई मिस्ड माय चांस विथ वन ऑफ द लॉर्ड्स ऑफ लाइफ ओके so he had come and gone and I have something to expiate okay expiate माने make amends मु निजुको टिके चेंज करियार अछि I have something to expiate that is called a pettiness okay टिके okay a low act pettiness so I have to okay expiate I have to change my amends my pettiness clear so this is the snake